You're watching action coming your way in the CCL T10 Blast powered by Bharti Cement. Varun Badola is not bowling the second over, so the captain is given the ball to Raja Bharwani. This is interesting.
Very interesting, Raman here. If at all Kerala has to win this game, I think Rajiv has to play the sheet anchor role here. Otherwise, it's going to be testing time for Kerala strikers against the Mumbai Heroes. There's a change in bowling. Raja Bharwani's got the ball in his hand.
Who do you think they're supporting, Sunil?
They're supporting their own heroes. That's the first dot ball from Raja.
It's an interesting ploy. You know, you'd expect with the ball still new, the shine on it, Manoj Tiwari swinging the ball. Thought that Varun Badola might bowl from the other end, try and make use of the shine on the ball, but no. They've got Bharwani, who's like a trump card, but they've got to use him carefully because a bowler can bowl a maximum of only 2 overs.
Great bowling, great bowling.
But Bharwani's strength is his accuracy. He bowls a very accurate line, and we've seen that in the first couple of deliveries.
It's a great one to see Raja bowling 2 dot balls. See what Rajiv has to do it now. He's having a close look on the fielding positions. That's interesting what plot he is looking to get on.
सुनील, सबसे ज़्यादा मजेदार लगता है जब राजीव ऐसा लगता है जैसे विस्पर कर रहे हो बैट को कि क्या करना है अगली बॉल पे. गैप में 4 रन, करारा प्रहार ये.
This is what Rajiv looking a close look. There is a chance of looking for a boundary. And rightly, that's a slog sweep. We would say that between mid-on and mid-wicket boundary.
सुनील, जिस तरह से बात करते हैं, लिटरली ऐसा लगता है बात कर रहे हैं राजीव अपने बल्ले से. मेरे को याद आती है रोशन महानावा की, जब वो बैटिंग करते थे तो हर बार हर बॉल से पहले बैट हैंडल के टिप को हेलमेट की ग्रिल के बीच में से निकाल के almost as if he was kissing the bat handle.
That's a great memory, Raman. I have to give compliments for that one. Amazing.
Oh, well played.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Couldn't find the gap there. Navraj Hans, run out का chance है ये. Oh, overthrows मिल सकते हैं अब. चलिए, सब कुछ होता हुआ.
Everything is happening. Catch, missing a run out, running an overthrow, again falling a run out. So we see the crowd, small pocket size of the crowd, have come here to see their heroes.
Come on, Raja.
Another dot ball. Is a change in the fielding position, is sending long on, getting long off back on the mid of 30-yard line. And he has a sweeper cover as well for Rajiv. See what Rajiv can do for this ball.
Oh, well bowled, Raja. Good bowling, good bowling.
टेम्प्ट कर रहे थे कि जाइए अक्रॉस द लाइन, लगाइए शॉट, क्या पुल खेलेंगे.
Outside the off stump. That's the one. That could be a catch. No. It's 10 for 1 after 2 overs. I think Manoj Tiwari going to go try and get another wicket, put pressure on Kerala strikers.
Once again, that in-swinger from Tiwari, catching Rajiv on the pad, but that struck him well outside the line of off stump.
But definitely Tiwari is looking to hit the pads. If they get here a couple more wickets, Mumbai Indians can make the game interesting.
Karishma Tana will be hoping that they pick up a few wickets here to the Mumbai Heroes. Oh, look at that.
That's the another sharp one from Manoj Tiwari. It's a lone young lad with his flag.
And the flag that he's got is of the Chennai Rhinos team, who are not playing right now. So he's enjoying himself. He's just happy to be there.
Absolutely, he has come to enjoy the game of cricket. He has come to enjoy the game of cricket.
Lovely line.
At the same time, doesn't matter which team he supports.
And you know, it's been a long, hard day for these men as well in uniform. 74 रन चाहिए 45 गेंदों में, तो मुश्किल हो रहा है काम. मुंबई हीरोज मुश्किल बना रहे हैं काम ये केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए.
Oh, lovely.
Well fielded, well done. No chance of a run out there.
Oh,
How close was that?
Good one, good one.
Very good fielding effort. राजा भिरवानी, इनको गेम से बाहर रखना मुश्किल हो रहा है.
absolutely. He is there everywhere. Batting, bowling and fielding. Got nearly brilliant stop. Could have been a brilliant run out. Oh yes. And Tiwari can't believe it. This is going to get interesting stage, Raman, from here on.
That's the release shot. One bounce four, करारा प्रहार ये down the track आए. अरुण ने कहा चलिए मैंने बहुत देख लिया है, अब दिखाता हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ.
ये इसने पहले डिसाइड कर लिया था कि चाहे कोई भी हो, कहीं पे भी है, मैं तो देने वाले में हूँ.
इसलिए कहते हैं कि आप ऑपोजिशन को बता रहे हैं कि मास्टर कौन है.
Absolutely, Tiwari. How can he make a comeback in this one?
Look for a tight single. They're going to attack the strikers end. समीर कोचा पिकअप आया नहीं बॉल के ऊपर. 3 ओवर समाप्त, 16 पर 1. अब तक इस मैच का लेखा जोखा. मुंबई हीरोज 84 पर 7, 10 ओवर के अंदर नवराज टॉप स्कोर करते हुए 28 रन बनाए. राजा भिरवानी के 25, अरुण के नाम 2 विकेट्स. पर अब केरला स्ट्राइकर्स थोड़ा चुके हैं.
रमन, यहाँ पे केरला स्ट्राइकर की स्कोर अटका हुआ है.